If you want to customize quick settings on a Samsung Galaxy S26, then first of all we're gonna open a quick settings panel. Now in here we can just simply tap on this pen icon at the top in order to start editing quick settings. Many of these buttons and tiles that we have in here can be resized. Usually you can grab by this thicker white line in order to make it smaller or bigger. In the case of these buttons, they can be 2 by 1 or 1 by 1, just like that. Unfortunately, we cannot make them even bigger. In the case of the expandable area, we can actually drag it to make it bigger as well. Here we have the slider for the screen brightness and the volume level. They can be adjusted as well. Here's also the media player and some additional buttons. All of these options can actually be disabled, so if you tap on the minus button in the upper left corner of that button or the control, then it's going to be removed. You can change the position of them as well. If you want to have, let's say, the screen brightness slider at the top, then you can drag it in here and there is no issue with that whatsoever. And let me actually drag it back into its place. There we go. And you can also put it into the middle, for example, so it can look like this if you're looking for something fancy. And if you want to add something new, then of course at the bottom we have add a control. In here we have all of these buttons that have not been added yet, so you should be able to add them pretty easily. You can either just simply tap on that button to add it here to the list, and you can of course drag it around if you want to. You can extend it just like every other button in here. And if you want to add it to this expandable area, then you can just simply drag it all the way into that area in here and drop it into that panel. Of course, we can add something into the expandable area straight away. So instead of tapping on that option or the control, you can press and hold your finger and then drop it immediately into the expandable area. In the upper left corner, we can also find the panel settings. So in here, you should be able to, let's say, combine the quick settings panel or part of it with notification tray. This is like the alt notification tray style that was available on the previous Galaxy models. And in the case of separate, you can also toggle to activate quick panel or quick settings from the left side instead of the right side. You can reset the quick panel layout and so on and so forth. And in the case of together option, we have additional 2 settings for the brightness control and the device control and media output button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.